Hello everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I am sharing with you a lots of beautiful Meghan Markle style, and also I shared a little bit information about Meghan Markle's life. Meghan Markle is an American actress, philanthropist, and a former member of the British royal family. Born on 4 August in 1981 and in Los Angeles, California. She's the best known for her role as Rachel Zane on the television series Suits. Meghan became widely recognized when she was married Prince Harry, the Duke of Sussex, in May 2018. Her marriage to Prince Harry brought her into the spotlight as a member of British royal family. But she and Harry stepped back from royal duties in early 2020 to pursue a more independent life. Since then, Meghan and Harry have been involved in various charitable and media projects, including the launch of their Archival Foundation. Meghan has also authored a children's book, The Bench. The book name was Bench, and has advocated for social justice, gender equality, and mental health awareness. So this was the short little bit information or introduction of Meghan Markle. Basically, my work is related to fashion and designs. I wanna tell you something about Meghan. That's why I introduced herself, and now I wanna tell my work. I have shared lots of beautiful latest outfit ideas for girls and women's and aged women's. So if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. I have shared lots of beautiful outfit ideas related to different ages women's and plus size women's, mother of the bride dresses, and lots of beautiful nail art designs and different countries street style fashion like London, Milan, Italy, France, Germany, and England, and much more countries street style fashion are shared. For back-to-back videos, you can check them in my playlist that I have shared with the name of different ideas like nail art design, street style fashion, bodycon, mother of the bride dresses, haircuts, and much more ideas. Hope so you will enjoy it and like those ideas. Don't forget to like my today's video and Also tell me about today's video in the comment section. And if you have any kind of demand related to any fashion idea and trends, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. And also tell me about today's video in the comment section. I'm a huge fan of Meghan Markle. And also tell me about your choice. And now let me say to take care, and but wanna say something, must visit on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. So friends, this was my today's video. Hope so you enjoyed. Now let me say to take care. Bye bye.